Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own room in Rec Room. First of all, launch open Rec Room application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your watch icon at the top left corner. From the options, tap on Create at the bottom. You will see the Create New Room button. Tap on that. On the next page, choose the room's template from the menu. After you are done, write down the name for your room. You can also customize the name and tap on Create. Wait for a few seconds, and then once you're inside, you'll find an in-room tutorial to guide you. You can then go ahead and use the Maker pin to build structures, shapes, and add props. Tap on the menu button at the bottom and look for the tools you can use to create the room. You can go to the Create Shapes, Color, Clone, and use other tools over here on this page in order to create a perfect room for you. Just explore around and create a room for yourself, and right after you are done, you will be able to create a room for yourself. Once you've created your room, you can tap on the Settings button from the Room page and then adjust the privacy settings or other settings for your room. So that's how you can easily create a room in Rec Room. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.